How to custom and create styles in Microsoft Word. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today we're diving into the world of Microsoft Word to learn how to create and custom styles that will elevate your document. So, let me tell you that custom styles in Word allow you to define specific formatting for headings, paragraphs, and other text elements. This not only saves time but also ensures consistency throughout your document. So, let's dive right in. Open up your Word document, and now to get started, just select the text that you want to edit, and then uh, in the home tab, locate the styles group, the one that I'm pointing, and there you'll see a small arrow in the bottom right corner to open the styles pane. So go ahead and access the style pane by tapping on it. And now you can see various styles you can work on. So you can see default paragraph font, you can see no spacing, these all if you tap on it, the selected paragraph will change. So you can put in a title, you can put it as subtitle, subtle emphasis, you can even put it as a quote, uh, and there are other various options that you can custom. Now, on the ribbon bar, you can even see the font color. You can change it. You can even highlight it. You can underline it, and you can change the font according to your wish. You can change the alignment as well. And you can even put it as a bullet point. So, it's as simple as that to custom style in Microsoft Word according to your wish. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.